to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Elisha, and here on this channel we talk about all my favorite things, be that made, fashion, beauty, lifestyle. I am a wife and mother of 2 boys, so I do a little bit of vlogging. Today is a cooking video. If you can tell by the title, we're doing another 30-minute meal, and today we are making beef and broccoli. This is just something I'm craving, and I figure I'll show you guys because it is really quick, really simple. I am preparing my meat a few hours early. It's 3 o'clock, so I'm going to let my meat marinate for a while, so I'm going to include you guys in that. I have some peppers. I forgot broccoli, so I have to run out to the store and get broccoli. But I'm just gonna make that my own little sauce, rice with it. You can do noodles, you can do spaghetti noodles if you wanted to, but you just have to make yield enough sauce so that you can coat your noodles with the rice. I feel like you don't need as much sauce, but if you're doing a noodle, you're gonna need the noodles to be coated. So I'm doing white rice. My kids love white rice. My kids actually really like this meal. So yeah, I usually do like some sort of Asian meal once a week. A lot of the meals that I'm showing you guys are meals that I actually normally do. I am gonna try some new recipes too, so I will let you guys know, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I make everything. I'm gonna wash my hands and get started. I just wanted to get the video intro going. All right, let's get into it. I hope you enjoy. If you do, please like the video, share with someone who is learning to cook, trying to figure out meals as a busy mom. Be sure to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. I appreciate you being here. Let's get started.